I'm going to teach you how to exchange your gift card to cash on Carding app. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. Like this video and also share it for more people to see after you finish watching. Do you understand right now? Now, this is how it goes. Click on, go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for Carding. You can see Carding. You can see Carding self gift card. Download this application to your phone. Do you understand right now? After you download it, open it, guys. Open it. Do you understand right now? Open it. You understand? And immediately you open it, you will see it will take you to this interface. And you can see down here, you can see not yet register, sign up. Click on sign up. You understand right now? And the next thing you are going to do is to select your country. If you want to know, first, if you want to register with Gmail, it will be on Gmail. If you want to register with your phone number, it will be on phone number. Do you understand right now? You can register with both. Do you understand? So select your country, select Nigeria, and enter your Gmail here. And you can see verification code. Leave it first. Jump to where it says password. Do you understand right now? Write your password. Godwin, for example. Hard number at the front of it and any symbol at the back. Any symbol. Do you understand? Repeat it here. Do you understand right now? Repeat it here. Do you understand right now? Guys, now put this invitation code. Do you understand right now? Although the invitation code is optional, but the only way you can appreciate me for making this video is to use this invitation code. I will say please use it. So this company will reward me, and also they are going to give you a welcome bonus of 3,000 naira if you use the invitation code. That means someone show you this application. Do you understand right now? So please use it. And the next thing you are going to do is to go back to where it's a verification code, you can see, and tap send at the front of you. You can see send, tap on it, and immediately they are going to send code to your Gmail or your phone number, depending on which one you use, and take that code and put it here. Now immediately before it expires, click on sign up and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? And right now I'm going to log into my own account and show you how to exchange your gift card to cash and how to withdraw your money to your bank account. Now let me log in, guys. Now I've logged into my own account, guys. You can see I have a balance of 14,700. Now to exchange your gift card to cash, you can see down here, you can see home, sell, transaction. Click on sell. Do you understand right now? Now select the categories of your gift card. Let's say you want to sell Steam card. Let's select it. You can see all the list of gift cards are there. Just choose the one you want to exchange. Do you understand right now? Select the country of your gift card. Let's say US card. If it is UK card, select UK. If it is Canada, if it is Australia, select it. And the balance of your gift card, let's say your gift card is $100. Do you understand right now? Physical card, select on physical. And if it is eco, select eco. Do you understand right now? Let me tell you, physical card are the gift card purchased at a physical store. And a e-code is a gift card someone purchased online on website. So they are just going to send the code to that person's Gmail. Do you understand right now? That is e-code. So don't mix it together. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to enter the code of your gift card. Enter the code of your gift card and click on sell. And if you have the image of your gift card, you have the image. Just click on upload image. Do you understand? Upload from gallery. And select the card. Let's say this is the card of my image. Select it and click on upload like this. And now let's say your gift card is 2. It might be $50 each, and it's 2. You just click add another box to add another card. Click on another box to add the second card and write the total amount here. Then click on sell. Immediately you click on sell, guys, in few seconds it will say success. That means your card has been converted to cash, and your balance, your money will be available on your balance like this. Do you understand? Now the next thing you are going to do is to add your bank account and withdraw your money. Then you can see this 3 line up here. Click on it and it will look like this. Click on wallet. Do you understand? You can see add bank card. Click on add bank card and select the bank you are using. Write the name on your bank and click on submit, and it will say your account will be submitted. Do you understand? Now come back here and click on withdraw. Do you understand? Write the amount you want to withdraw. Do you understand? And confirm to withdraw. And in few seconds, bang, your money will deliver to your bank account, guys. So this is how to exchange your gift card to cash on Carding app. Make sure you like this video, share it for more people to see, and also if you have any question, write it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be giving you more updates, guys. One love.